Seems pretty common that, when you're building a Laravel app, you will eventually come into a place where you have to reorder things and you want the users to be able to do it. It's always kind of a little bit of a pain just because, you have to build out the UI, you had to add the JavaScript, you have to do all this stuff. But there's a brand new package and I want to demonstrate it to you. So this is my little top 5 movies list, my personal ranking. So you can see we have, 5 movies here: Goodfellas, Pulp Fiction, Fight Club, The Godfather, and The Dark Knight. And as we can all agree, Godfather is number 1. So let's drag that up. And you can see it instantly does it. That was super smooth, really simple, really easy. Of course, while we're here, let's go ahead and rank these for real. So we, of course, have Godfather number 1. But out of this list, I'm going to put Pulp Fiction number 2, then Fight Club, then Goodfellas, and then The Dark Knight. So that is the official top 5 movie list of Eric Barnes with these 5. And of course, if you disagree, be sure and comment and let me know why you're wrong, because these are the best of these 5. So now let's just dive in and take a look at the sort of the API of this package. So right here is our routes file. We have route get reorder, and basically all we're doing for this demo is returning a view and passing in all the tasks from the task table with a sort order column. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. You can see there's the database migration, nothing fancy, ID title, and just a sort order column. And then the model, we use the HasSortOrder trait, which comes from the package. And then finally, our reorder blade file, which is using the livewire component, which is livewire-reorderable-list. We pass it the task, we pass it the model, and of course, a title of my ranking. So that's basically it for the package. If we switch back over to Chrome, I can show you, we just covered it on the website, on the Laravel news site. But the cool thing is it also has a blade component that you can use if you would prefer to go that route versus the livewire route. And again, it's kind of the same thing. It's all just sort of set up and ready for you. It does do a little bit more fancy things than what I used in my demo, and that is, the group column, group value, and of course the list ID. Check out the GitHub page for this package. It's called laravel-reorderable, and it goes through all the API, the installation instructions, and basically everything. So go check that out. I think it's going to be super handy. Like I said, this is sort of a pattern that we all run into from time to time, and it's nice just to have a package with a trait that we can just throw into our projects, and it just sort of works. So again, go check it out, Composer install it, set your own demo project up, and give it a go.